the question is saying that the figure below is the first term. The diameter and the top diameter are 42 centimeters. So the diameter is what? 42 centimeters and 14 centimeters respectively. So this is 14 centimeter. This one is the diameter, and this one is the what? The diameter. Then they're saying, wow, the height is 20 centimeter. So this is the height. So when you're calculating the volume of the first term of a cone, this is the formula. We have volume is equals to 1/3 pi open bracket. We have the radius squared h minus radius squared h. So iyi radius ya ikulu cone ero iyi ya inono. So twarashibasha nati iyi inono ya ikulu. We're going to draw a full cone in a solution. We're going to draw what? A full cone. So mudi radius, then mudi diameter. So I'm going to convert a radius from the diameter. How are we going to convert? So we're going to divide both sides with 2. We're going to divide with 2. 14 divided by 2. We're going to have 7. So here we're going to write what? 7 centimeters. So here we have 7 centimeters. Then again, here we have what? 42 centimeters. So we're going to punch 42 divided by 2. 42 divided by 2. We are going to have what? 21. So here we are going to write what? 21 centimeters. So this is the radius. Diameter. If we convert radius. So radius, this is the half of the circle, while the diameter is the straight line of the circle. This is the diameter, and this one is what? The radius. So we need to divide by 14 divided by 2. We're going to have 7. 42 divided by 2, we're going to have 21. So this is the formula. So before writing this formula, we need to find the height. The height, we only have the height for this one is the height for the first term, which is what? 20 centimeters. Now we need to find this height of a small cone. So we have a big cone and a small cone. A full big cone, this is the full big cone, and the small cone is what? This one. So for us to find the height of the small cone, so we have this formula. Height over height plus the height of the first term is what? 20 equals to, this is the height for the small cone. So we're going to have a cone equals to small radius over a big what? Radius of a cone. So we're going to write h over h plus 20 equals to, we have the small radius. The small radius of the cone is what? 7 centimeters. So we're going to write 7 over the big height, or the big radius is what? 21. This is 21. So this is what? The small height of a cone. So this one is the height of the small cone, and this one is the radius of the small cone. So this is the formula when you're finding the height of the small cone. Right? You need to know this formula. Now we are going to cross multiply. We are going to have what? Equals to 21. This is 21h equals to 7h plus 7 times 20. 7 times 20, it's what? 140. So plus 140, this is 140. So we're going to write 21h minus 7h equals to 140. We are finding the height of the small cone. So equals to 21 minus 7, it's what? 14. So 21 minus 7, it's 14. So we're going to write 14 h equals to 140. So we're going to divide with 14, so that we find the value of h. So 140 divided by 14. 140 divided by 14. 140 divided by 14. The answer is 10. So the small height is what? 10. So we have 10 here. So for the small, so the value of h is what? 10 centimeters. This 10 centimeters is what? The height of the small cone. So we don't have the height of the big cone. The height of the big cone. This is the height of the big cone. How are we going to find the height of the big cone? We're going to add 20 plus 10. It's 30. 30 centimeters. So 30 centimeters, this is the height of the big cone. And the small cone is what? This one. Well, 20 centimeter is the what? Is the height of the cone of the first term. So for us to calculate the volume of the cone, what are we going to do? We're going to write volume is equals to 1 over 3. They are saying that take pi as 3.142. So we have times 3.142, open bracket. The radius of the big cone is what? 21. So we have 21 squared times the height of the big cone is what? 30. So this is the height is what? 30. Then the radius of the small cone is what? 7 centimeters. Then the height of what? Of the small cone is 10 centimeters. While the radius of the small cone is what? 7 centimeters. So we're going to substitute on this formula. 1 over 3.142. This is the pi. Open bracket. 21 squared times 31. This is the radius of the big cone. So this is how you're going to find the volume of what? Of the cone. You're going to substitute now everything, and the answer will give you like this one. So you need to go step by step. First of all, you're going to deal with this thing.